The agile and versatile Jungheinrich EKM 202 small parts order picker, with capacities of up to 215 kilograms, is particularly suitable for use in retail, for light maintenance or picking tasks without a pallet. The stable mast enables reach heights of more than 5 meters. Only trained persons with safety shoes are allowed to operate the truck. Observe the safety instructions on the truck and in the operating manual. Step onto the truck. Make sure the red emergency stop switch is pulled up. Start the truck via the access system. As soon as the truck is ready for use, the display shows the battery charge status. Place both hands on the control handles. Use the green rocker switch on the right-hand side to determine both the travel direction and the speed of the truck. To steer, use the grey rocker switch on the left-hand side. Release the rocker switches to stop travel and steering. In an emergency, the truck can also be stopped via the emergency stop switch. Among other things, the individually adjustable travel programs and crawl speed can be selected via the truck display. Use the lift or lower buttons with a driver platform icon to raise or lower the driver platform. Note that platform lifting is only possible when the safety doors are closed. The optional door locking mechanism automatically locks the doors as soon as the platform is raised. This also allows safe maneuvering with a raised platform. The doors can only be opened again when the platform is completely lowered. The truck is optionally equipped with warning zone lights. As soon as the platform exceeds a certain height, a red border is projected around the truck as a safety area. The work table is optionally available with an electric height adjustment and is operated via the upper lift or lower buttons. To park the truck, switch it off and remove the key. If necessary, the truck can also be operated manually via the emergency control panel. To do this, open the flap at the bottom of the truck and use the control levers to recover the truck. To charge the maintenance-free battery, the truck must be completely switched off. The onboard charger allows the battery to be charged from any 230 volts main socket. Check the truck regularly for damage and contamination. For a long service life of battery in truck, we recommend regular maintenance by a Jungheinrich service engineer. Any questions about the truck or how it operates? We are nearby. Please observe the safety instructions. Further important information on the operation and maintenance of the truck can be found in the operator's manual supplied.